Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Standard 6 Subject Science. In that, chapter number 4, Sorting Materials into Group. In the previous video we have seen up to main 5. Today we'll see main 6. Classify. It carries 4 marks each. Number 1. Classify the following materials into that sign and materials that do not sign. First of all, we will see the materials given. Okay, iron, brick, stone, copper, aluminium, wood, earthen pitcher, and silver. Now see the materials that sign, that are copper, aluminium, iron, and silver. And materials that do not sign are brick, stone, wood, earthen, pitcher. Now see the second number. Classify the following materials into soluble in water and insoluble in water. Now see, first of all we will see the materials given: sugar, glass, iron powder, alum, sulfur, washing soda, iodine, oil, honey, plastic, chalk powder, and sawdust. Now see the materials soluble in water are that soluble in water are sugar, alum, washing soda, and honey. And materials insoluble in water are glass, iron powder, sulfur, iodine, oil, plastic, chalk powder, and sawdust. Now see the match the following. Write the alphabet from section B in the answer. It carries 2 marks. See, first of all, see the section A. Number 1, copper. 2, wax. Number 3, glass. Number 4, mixture of water and oil. Now see the section B. A, transparent. B, hard. C, do not mix. And D, soft. Now see the number 1, copper, match with the D, not B. Copper, hard. Number 2, wax. Wax match with the D. It's a soft. Number 3, glass, match with the transparent. And number 4, mixtures of water and oil, match with the C, do not mix. Now see the main 8. Match the objects with the materials from which could be made. Remember, an object could be made from more than one material. It carries 2 marks. Now see the object is given and material is given. See the object: book, bowl, chair, toy, and shoes. And materials are glass, wood, paper, leather, plastic. Now see the object. Object: book. Book match with the paper. Bowl, it's a glass. It's made of glass. Chair, made of wood and a plastic. And toy, made of plastic and a wood. And shoes, made of leather. Now see the next page. Now see the activities given. Number 1, table, objects and the materials they are made of. Now see the object is given and you have to write down materials they are made of. Plate, thali, they are made from steel, glass, plastic, and paper. Pen, made of plastic and metal. Scale, made of wood, plastic, metal. Bucket, made of plastic, brass, steel, aluminium. Chair, made of wood, plastic, and iron. Cupboard, made of wood and iron. Blackboard, made of wood, cement. Compass box, made of iron, plastic. Bottle jar, made of glass, steel, ceramic, and aluminium. Book, made of paper. Now see the main 2, table, different types of objects that are made from the same materials. Now materials and objects made of this material. Wood. Objects are chair, table, bullock cart and its wheel, cupboard, doors and windows. Paper. Objects are books, notebooks, newspaper, toys, calendars, magazine. Leather. Bag. Objects are objects that are made: bag, shoes, belt, purse, wallet, watch, strap, and jacket. Now see the plastic. Materials are bucket, tumbler, compass box, pen, footwear, dustbin, box, and toys. These are made from plastic. Cotton. The objects made from cottons are sari, shirt, jeans, rope, thread, handkerchief, and bedsheet. Now see the steel. Objects are table, plate, bowl, utensils, sword, and machine. Now glass, tumbler, spectacles, window, utensils, mirror. Brass, from brass, plate, utensils, pot, musical instrument, idols and toys. Aluminium. Objects made from aluminium are bucket, utensils, wire, medicine, wrapper. Now silver. Objects made from silver are chain, ring, medal, jewelry, silver foil on sweets. Now china clay. Objects made from china clay are jar, cup, plate, toys, bowl and jug. Wool. Objects made from wool are sweater, muffler, shawl and cap. Clay. Objects made from clay are earthen pot, raw houses, chulha road, utensils and veranda. Now see the next page. Number 3. To decide whether the given substance have luster or not. See the substance given: piece of paper, cardboard, wood, copper wire, aluminium sheet, chalk, strip of iron and rubber. Apparatus and materials are scissors for cutting metal, and procedure is: observe if the given substance appears shiny, separate the shiny materials into a group. If the given substance does not appear shiny, cut each material into two pieces and look at the freshly cut surface for shine. Instead of cutting, you can also rub the surface of material with a sandpaper to see if it has shine. Now see the materials having lusters, that are copper wire, aluminium sheet, strip of iron. And materials do not having lusters are piece of paper, cardboard, wood, chalk and a pencil. Now conclusion is that substance made of metal have a luster and all others do not have a luster. Now see the number 4. To check whether given solid substances are soluble in water or not. Substance given are sugar, salt, chalk powder, sand and sawdust, and apparatus and materials are spoon and 5 glasses. Now procedure. Take 5 glasses or beakers, fill each one of them about 2/3 with water, add a spoonful of sugar to the first glass, salt to second glass and add small amounts of other substance in other glasses. Stir the contents of each of them with a spoon. Wait for a few minutes. Now see the vessel 1 is a salt disappears. In a vessel 2, sand does not disappears. Okay, means salt mix with water and sand does not mix with the water. Table: mixing different solid materials in water. Now substance is given and disappears in water and does not disappear. Salt disappears completely in water, means dissolved in water. Sugar disappears completely in water. Sand does not disappear. Chalk powder does not disappear. Sawdust does not disappear. Now see the next page. Observation is: salt and sugar completely disappear in water. Sand, chalk powder and sawdust do not disappear when dissolved in water. Conclusion is that sugar and salt are soluble in water, whereas sand, chalk powder and sawdust are insoluble in water. Number 5. To check whether the given liquids mixed with water or not. Substance given are vinegar, lemon juice, mustard oil, coconut oil and kerosene. Apparatus and materials are 5 glass, spoon, water. Now see the procedure. Take 5 glass and fill them halfway with water. Add 3 spoonful of vinegar in the first glass and 3 spoonful of lemon juice in the second glass, and so on. Stir it well and let it stand for 5 minutes. Observe whether the liquid mixes with water and record your observations as shown in the table. Now see the vessel 1 mixes well with water, and in vessel 2 mustard oil does not mix with the water. Table is solubility of some common liquids in water. Liquid is given and mixes well, does not mixes well. Vinegar mixes well. Lemon juice also mixes well. Mustard oil does not mix. Coconut oil does not mix. Kerosene does not mix. Now see the observation. Vinegar and lemon juice mixed well with the water. Mustard oil, coconut oil and kerosene do not mix with the water. Conclusion is that vinegar and lemon juice mixed with water, mustard oil, coconut oil and kerosene do not mix with water and form a different layer on the top of it. See the question number 6. To check the transparency of given substance. Substance given is piece of glass, paper sheet and oily paper. Procedure is: take a piece of glass and look through it towards a lighted bulb. Place the sheet of the paper on the glass piece and look through it towards a lighted bulb. Put 2-3 drops of some oil and spread it on the sheet of paper. Look again towards the lighted bulb through that portion of the paper on which the oil has been spread. Observation is, when the glass piece was covered with a paper sheet, nothing was visible through it. Conclusion is that piece of glass is transparent, paper sheet is opaque, and oily paper is translucent. Now see the question 1 that is not given in the workbook but it's extra. Why is wood not used for making cooking utensils? It carries 2 marks. Answer is, food is cooked in utensil and hence utensils are heated. If utensils were made of wood, they would catch fire. Hence, cooking utensils are not made of wood. It's also be asked in the give reasons and it's asked in the questions also. Now for the other one, give points of differences. Distinguish between is that. First one, transparent materials and opaque materials. See the transparent materials point is, the materials through which we can see clearly are called transparent materials, and opaque materials are the materials through which we cannot see are called opaque materials. Second point, glass and water are transparent materials, and in this second point, iron and wood are opaque materials. Give reasons. Give scientific reasons. It carries 2 marks. The showcase kept in shops have a glass doors. Answer is, glass is a transparent material. If the shutters of the showcase are made of glass, the goods that are kept can easily be seen. Hence, the customer can easily see the available product and the shopkeeper can easily sell it. Here your chapter is completed and we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.